watermelon gnome. So, I know, I did a pink sky. It's the summer. There's lots of ocean and sky and blue soap, so I try and vary things up. And this watermelon gnome just called for. It's actually red with white added to it, so it makes it pink. But it just called for something a little bit different. Now, okay, so his bottom gets lost. I knew I should have coated it. So I made this green darker than this green, but obviously it wasn't dark enough. Also, I know this gnome is completely out of proportion to the ant, which gets a little bit lost, and the watermelon. So what I thought was, I'll put these down and it'll look like these sitting up on the hill. He's in the distance and they're up close. It's fine. Like, things don't have to be realistic, but I try to with proportion sometimes. I also have my fireworks stamp, which I am going to stamp on here after. Little frustrated over the body. It actually stands out more when I'm just looking at it versus on the camera. Like, looking at it here, I find it hard to see, but that's okay. I also thought the ant would get lost because he's black and a dark green, but it stands out better than I anticipated, so I'll take it. It's fun. It smells so good. It's scented in watermelon lemonade from Midwest Fragrance, which I really like this fragrance. It speaks to me, this one. I like it. Yeah. And the top. It's cute. I'll take it. I said I gotta clear the bars off and then we'll come back and I'll stamp the fireworks on them. And the question is, I was going to do the fireworks in red, white, and blue, but maybe I just do them in red and white. I kind of feel like blue might not work with this color scheme. I have to figure that out. Anyways, yeah, let me go clear this off and then we'll do some stamping.